Hey, welcome back to the channel. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than with an amazing meal fresh off the grill? Whether you're cooking for your significant other, your family, or just treating yourself, I've got some great grilling ideas that will make this Valentine's Day extra special. From juicy steaks to smoky ribs to crispy wings and flavorful leg quarters, there's something here for everyone. So let's dive in and check out some of my favorite Valentine's-worthy grilling recipes. Let's start with the classic, steak. There's nothing quite like a perfectly grilled steak to set the mood for a special occasion. Whether you're going with a ribeye, filet mignon, New York strip, and if you're on a budget, don't forget about those chuck roast steaks. The key is getting that beautiful sear and locking in the flavor. When it comes to steak, I like to keep my seasoning simple. A little extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper does the job well. You can use the two-zone technique to sear both sides first and then move them to the cool zone to cook more evenly and absorb all that smoky flavor goodness. For additional depth of flavor, I like to add a chunk of hardwood to the coals after moving the steaks to the cool zone. And always be sure to let them rest before slicing. If you want to impress this Valentine's Day, steak is always a winner. If you're enjoying this so far and getting some good ideas for Valentine's Day, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more grilling tips and recipes just like this. Alright, now let's get into some wings. If steak isn't your thing, or you just want some appetizers to go with it, you can't go wrong with some grilled chicken wings. I'm talking about crispy skin, juicy meat, and that smoky grilled flavor. It's an absolute game changer. You can go with whatever seasoning you like. A classic dry rub, toss them in a spicy buffalo sauce, or even glaze them with a little garlic butter sauce, or just leave them plain. Wings are quick, easy, and they're always a crowd pleaser. Now, if you want something packed with flavor that's super affordable, grilled leg quarters are a great option. They stay juicy thanks to the dark meat, and that skin crisps up oh so beautifully. I like to season mine with a bold rub and grill them using the direct method so they're hovering right over the coals for the entire cook. This ensures that they achieve a nice crispy skin and the taste is infused with that intense charcoal flavor that only comes from direct grilling. Whether you serve them as is or drizzle on a little barbecue sauce at the end, this is a meal that's guaranteed to impress. Now, one of the biggest keys to getting results like this, whether you're cooking wings, leg quarters, or even ribs, is understanding how to control your grill's heat zones. If you've ever struggled with flare-ups, uneven cooking, or meats that burn before they're done, mastering two-zone grilling is a game changer. That's exactly why I put together my Grill Temperature Zones Made Easy guide. It walks you through everything you need to know to set up and control your grill like a pro. So, if you want to check it out and level up your grilling game, you'll find the link in the description below. Now, a lot of people think ribs have to take all day, but that's just not true. I've got multiple videos showing step by step how to use my hot and fast method, and it works great for spare ribs and baby backs too. With this approach, you can have tender, juicy ribs in about 2 hours, not 6. I've done it using both direct grilling and the two-zone method, and the key is running the grill hot while managing the cook carefully. You still get amazing flavor, a great bark, and that perfect bite, but in way less time. So if you want to enjoy ribs for Valentine's Day, but don't have all day to babysit a smoker, this is definitely the way to go. So there you have it, some of my favorite grilling recipes for Valentine's Day. Whether you go with steak, ribs, chicken wings, or leg quarters, you really can't go wrong when you're grilling with love. Let me know in the comments what you'll be cooking up. And as always, grill boldly, serve proudly, and happy Valentine's Day. And if you want to check out the full step-by-step recipes for everything we talked about today, I've got you covered. Click right here for my Valentine's Day grilling playlist, and I'll see you in the next video.